My name's Osama Ahmed, and I'm a project manager by profession. I am, yes. So I've been in the academy about almost a year now. I'll be coming up for renewal in June. And the experience has been, the first 2 or 3 months was a bit lost, thinking, oh my goodness, there's just so much new information, so many new faces, trying to learn all the new names and all the new strategies. And then the next 2 or 3 months was, okay, let's settle down on my comfort zone, figure it out. The following 6 months, I spent just committing to a couple of essays and ended up being just one essay. Since then, it's been about just learning how to get that optimized to its fullest extent before I start committing to more essays. Oh man, Samuel's just so damn charismatic, man. Like you just can't help but not like him. He's blessed with a wonderful team, a wonderful family around him. I just met his mom earlier and met his sister earlier than that as well. I was telling his sister how much my wife is such a fan of hers. The videos that they put out on social media, they're real people at the end of the day. Like we just like that reality, that realness, that genuineness. Samuel doesn't mince his words when it comes to wanting to just say it like it is, and I admire that personally.
Excellent. Tell me about how the academy has helped your business grow.
So I was interested in property for several years before I ever even heard about the academy, let alone Samuel Leeds. What I would say they primarily helped in was just try and organize my thoughts and put down on paper, bullet point format, what are the steps I need to do, what are the steps I need to take to start making genuine, measurable progress, I'll be honest. And it really, really helps to see other people going through the same struggle. I say struggle because I would be lying if it was not a struggle. I would say if you're not struggling, you're not trying hard enough, you're not genuinely learning. And that gift, that blessing to be able to see other people going through it as well. I'm not talking about like one or two, I'm talking about hundreds. Just look around us. Going through the same journey has been one of the most priceless aspects of being in the academy.